This year's Oscar-nominated films have transported audiences to astonishing new worlds. But the real stars behind the scenes? An elite fleet of cutting-edge cameras, engineered for unparalleled artistic expression. In this video, we'll go behind the lens to reveal the cameras that brought the year's most visionary directors' work to life in breathtaking detail. The ARRI Alexa Mini LF is a fusion of ARRI's signature image quality and a compact form factor, making it a favorite for cinematic projects. At its core is a large-format 4K version of the original Alexa sensor, offering native 4K recording in ARRI RAW or ProRes across 3 sensor modes. With a dynamic range exceeding 14 stops and a base sensitivity of EI 800, it ensures superb HDR compatibility. The camera's LPL lens mount, optimized for large format capture, supports an array of PL mount lenses via an adapter, enhancing its versatility. Its design accommodates efficient on-set workflow, featuring dual codecs media slots, extensive recording format choices, and compatibility with existing ARRI look files, ensuring that the Alexa Mini LF is not just powerful in terms of image creation, but also flexible and adaptable to various shooting environments. Precision engineering and rugged reliability are what the ARRI Cam Studio and Lite were made for. Those are lauded for their precision in 35mm film capture, featuring options for 2perf, 3perf, or 4perf movements to suit various project requirements. The LT, known for its lightweight and compact design, allows for easier handheld operation and portability, ideal for location shooting. Conversely, the Studio version, with its robust build, is perfect for studio settings, supporting larger magazine capacities for extended shooting periods. Both models boast a mirror shutter, adjustable from 0 degree to 180 degree, enhancing exposure control and image clarity. Their advanced optical viewfinders deliver unmatched brightness and clarity, ensuring precise framing and focus. With a noise level below 20 decibels, these cameras ensure minimal disturbance on set. This combination of versatility, performance, and silent operation cements the ARRI Cam system's status as a go-to choice for filmmakers seeking the tactile quality of film with modern conveniences.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The Sony Venice digital cinema camera stands out with its full-frame sensor, offering exceptional image quality and flexibility in format choice. It can capture up to 6K resolution, supporting various aspect ratios including widescreen and anamorphic modes. The camera features phenomenal color science, dual base ISO of 500 and 2500, ensuring optimal performance in various lighting conditions. With 15+ stops of latitude, it excels in HDR imaging, allowing for creative freedom in post-production. Its robust build and intuitive design make it a reliable choice for filmmakers seeking to push creative boundaries. Experience movie magic with the revolutionary capabilities of Panavision's Millennium XL2. It represents a significant evolution in film camera technology, combining lightweight design with advanced features. It offers a seamless transition from studio to handheld or Steadicam modes, supporting all Panavision 35mm lenses. Notably, its speed ramping capabilities range from 3 to 50 FPS within 4 seconds, complemented by a variable shutter angle from 11.2 to 180 degrees. This camera is celebrated for its quiet operation and versatility. It features dual magazine options, a detachable optical viewfinder, and integrated heaters for operation in varied conditions, making it a top choice for filmmakers. Small in size, massive in creativity, meet ARRI's multi-talented Alexa Mini. It features a Super 35 format ARRI Alexa 3 CMOS sensor, offering stunning visuals with a dynamic range of 14+ stops and recording capabilities of up to 200 frames per second. Its lightweight body, around 2.3 kilograms, ensures mobility and ease of use in challenging environments. The camera supports interchangeable lens mounts for PL, LPL, and EF lenses, enhancing its adaptability. With built-in motorized FSND filters, wireless connectivity, and the ARRI Look library, the Alexa Mini is designed for creative flexibility and efficiency on set. The cinema icon returns. Welcome the king of cameras, ARRI Alexa 65. An exclusive to ARRI Rental, it is a digital cinema marvel, offering the largest sensor in the lineup, akin to a 65mm film frame. This powerhouse captures native 6.5K, providing filmmakers a vast canvas for high-end motion pictures, television productions, and commercials. It's the flagship of the Alexa camera platform, merging a 65mm digital cinema camera with custom-designed lenses and efficient workflow tools. Celebrated for its unrivaled image quality, the Alexa 65 has been instrumental in creating visually stunning and lifelike images on cinema screens worldwide, ensuring pristine clarity and detail unparalleled in the industry. See the world in black and white with immersive monochrome filmmaking on ARRI's Alexa Mini LF Monochrome. This monochrome is specifically designed for black and white cinematography, capturing images with enhanced resolution, deeper blacks, and a higher native ASA than its color counterparts. This camera, part of ARRI's exclusive monochrome lineup, including the Alexa 65 and XT monochrome, offers a unique approach to digital filmmaking by recording in ARRI RAW directly in black and white. Without a Bayer mask, its sensor captures the full spectrum of visible light, delivering images that closely resemble traditional analog panchromatic film. Additionally, the absence of an IR filter allows it to capture non-visible infrared light, adding a distinctive look to foliage, skin tones, and skies. Bigger, sharper, and more vivid than life itself. Welcome to the visually stunning world of IMAX 70mm film. The cameras behind the stunning visuals of this year's Oscar-nominated films represent the pinnacle of cinematic technology. But one stands above the rest: IMAX 70mm film, the gold standard for unmatched resolution, immersive aspect ratio, and true-to-life color. With frames 4.5 times larger than 4K, IMAX 70mm captures mind-blowing detail that digital can't touch. Its expansive shape fills your peripheral vision with an unparalleled sense of being there. And its high dynamic range and delicate grain structure produce nuanced contrast and naturalistic color that accurately reflects all skin tones. For filmmakers pursuing the ultimate in photorealism and viewer experience, IMAX 70mm remains king. This Oscar season, the brilliant imagery you see on screen was captured by the one and only IMAX. So that's all about the cameras behind Oscar 2024. Do share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your takes. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.